Today's video, we are going to discuss awards and honors of 2019. To get these important updates, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Bharat Ratna Award. Bharat Ratna is a highly civilian award which is given for recognition of performance and service of higher order. Till now, 48 people received this award. It is given by President of India in Rashtrapati Bhavan. So this year, 3 people received this award. First is Pranab Mukherjee. He is the 13th President of India who has a long life in politics. Second is Nanaji Deshmukh. He is popular as a social activist. Next is Bhupin Hazarika. He is very popularly known for his folk music in many states like Bengal, Bangladesh and Assam. Next is Veer Chakra Award. This award is given for person who display acts of valor during wartime. It is one of the third highest gallantry award. This award is presented to Abhinandan Varthaman, who is wing commander, who got this because he downed an army jet during a combat with Pakistan. Next is Entrepreneur of the Year Award. This is given for individuals for their success and improvement of quality of life around the world. And this is presented to Ruhan Rajput. He is the director of Inflod Tech Private Limited. Next is Abdul Kalam Award. This award is given for the individuals who promote scientific growth and humanities. This is presented to ISRO Chairman K. Shivan. This is given by Tamil Nadu government for the year 2019. Next is Ramon Magsaysay Award. It is given for integrity and courageous service. This award is given in various categories like government servant, public services, community, leadership, journalism, literature, peace, creative communication, etc. This award is presented to Ravish Kumar. He got this award in the category of journalist as he done prime time show on NDTV. Next is Miss Deaf World title 2019. Miss Deaf World is an international beauty pageant which crowns young deaf women as Miss Deaf World title 2019. This is presented to Vidisha Balyan, who is 21 years old girl from UP. She is the first Indian to bag this title. Next is Man Booker International Prize 2019. It is an international Booker Prize hosted in United Kingdom. This is presented to Joka Alharthi as she won for her novel Celestial Bodies. Next is Abel Prize 2019. This prize is given for the scientific work in the field of mathematics. This is only given for the field of mathematics. This is presented to Karin Uklembuck. She is an American professor who is the first woman who got this award in 16 years of history. Next is Best Film for BAFTA Awards. BAFTA Awards are presented 72nd time in this year. It stands for British Academy Film Television Awards. It is presented for the film Roma. It bagged top prize for best film. Next is Swachh Survekshan Award 2019. It is given by Union Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. It is given to a state which is recognized for the performance of cities on sanitation and solid waste management. This is given to the city Indore. Indore is ranked as a clean city for the third time. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Awards. This award is given for in the field of sports and games. It is presented to two persons, Deepa Malik and Bajrang Punia. It holds the highest honor in India. Next is Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2019. This is given by Government of India for lifetime contribution to Indian cinema. This is presented to Amitabh Bachchan. He is still entertaining the audience with his performance from 4 decades. Next is Global Goalkeeper Award 2019. It is given for accelerating progress towards the global goals. This award is presented by Bill and Melinda Gates. It is presented to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his leadership in India's massive project Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Next is Shastra Ramanujan Award 2019. Shastra stands for Shanmuga, Arts, Science, Technology, Research and Academy. It is given every year to a young mathematician for those who has done outstanding work in mathematics. This is presented to Adam Harper. She is an assistant professor in the University of Marcrick, which is in England. It is given for her outstanding contribution to analytic and probabilistic numbers theory. Last one, Rabindranath Tagore Literature Prize 2019. This prize aims to revive poetry and novels that changes lives. This is presented to Rana Das Gupta, who got for his novel named Solo, which is published in 2010. In this novel, he describes about failure of material existence. We will be back with more important videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Thank you.